All right, so we're going to make a little track alteration.
Track alteration.
Well, it seems like the crowds down here really like seeing things get launched into the air. So
I
the
like
boss, Gucci, me, we were kind of talking, and then we were like, yo, let's bring a ramp out. We'll start small, and we'll go from there. If anybody wants to come out and hit it, be smart, hit it square with your front tires. We're not trying to get anybody up on two wheels or anything just yet. But if anybody wants to come out here, hit the front of the ramp with their tires square, we're going to let you do it. We're going to get some vehicles flying. I know we're going to have at least 2 trucks signed up. Going from a 16-inch ramp to a flat spot. Now, we probably only got to hit 3 or 4 feet of air, but we just wanted to start small, build this ramp, and see what we're working with.
Anybody else in the parking lot, if you have a random truck, please enjoy jumping it with us. You don't have to be good at it. You just hold the throttle down and see where it lands.
You don't even have to have a truck. I don't care what it is.
Yeah, it could be a car.
If you want to jump it, come jump it.
Scooter, car. I mean, I don't care. If you borrow somebody's stuff, you could jump it.
Trucks out here, so
yeah,
until we get this ramp set up, everyone will try to stay calm here.
Great demolition derby. You guys, if you want, we could just run this a little different. You could just start running into each other. I won't be mad at you.
You know I'm gonna do a burnout. We got Yanni here putting the camera on, though. Hold on.
Let's go. I know you're gonna do a burnout. You've been dying to do one.
She sounds kind of good.
Oh, she's beautiful, man. Oh, boy.
Alrighty. Whoever jumps the farthest gets $100. We're marking out the feet. So, I don't know. Wherever you guys want to start.
I think you guys should start all the way in the chute to get maximum run. Either that or start at the tower, go all the way around like a U, and then you will be flying. See it? Right there, Timbo. If you just keep going all the way, go, bam, done. You get extra points if you drift on the way in.
It's a little baby one for Timbo.
Oh!
Oh, my God.
I mean, you might as well send it if you're going to do it. I feel like the slower you go, the harder it's going to be on your car.
Who's going
Gucci
next?
Bear. Gucci Bear, if I break my ram, I'm sorry.
Man, listen, Steve, the slower you go, the worse it's going to be.
Yeah, you better freaking fly this thing.
Yeah, I want to see that thing go.
Let's go.
That was a little baby. That was the first try.
Send it.
I give him the Aussie. Send it, mate. We got Steve in the burner. Go, Steve. Oh! And he made the corner, barely. All right, good job.
He saved it. Oh,
yo, he sent it all the way into the neighborhood.
It's still alive.
Hey now. Hey now. Save a little truck for another jump there, big guy.
Yeah. Jesus.
Steve, you are an animal. Dodge, you make a durable truck.
Yeah, I'm surprised it actually made it through that.
Wow.
Hold on, we're going to get some markings.
Hold on, boys. We're marking it up. See, I told you if you look at the...
that one was a little bit of a doozy. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, that looked like it hurt your neck and back. So if you look, Steve, you landed a lot smoother, though. Timbo landed violently, and it hit 4 marks into the cement or the asphalt. You, nice 2 scraper marks. Looks beautiful.
Alrighty. Lenny, are you ready?
Lenny the legend.
Get her going.
Oh. I imagine Lenny's about $600 invested into this truck.
Oh, this one's going to be a good one.
Oh, he let off.
Oh!
You shouldn't have let off. You let off is when it was bad.
Chevy Airlines next.
This man is an absolute psycho.
And I believe the fact that it says Chevy Airlines on the side means that it's going to fly.
All right, the drone is in the air.
Drone is in the air. All right, can we get some turbine noises?
Here he comes.
Oh, he's got speed. He's got speed.
Oh, it's contender.
Woo!
I told you, as long as you left on the gas, you'd win. And I'm going to say that was the furthest mark, boys.
Jesus. All right, let's see. Backwards off the jump.
In one of the different stunts of the night, Timbo stunts.
Let off the brake.
This might roll over. Oh, God.
Actually, that was the least violent.
That was lame.
Yeah, man. Can you put it in forward and try that again? I mean, I guess that is kind of cool. Hey, if you burn out all the way back to the back thing and then drive back and forward, try it again. Don't keep going. Back it up to the wall. All right, now put it in drive and now jump it forward. Come on.
All right, is that all the contestants we have? None of you guys got a truck you want to come jump? There's a lot of you out there. I know somebody's got a truck.
SUVs, Cadillacs. We'll take any of that stuff.
I think they should all get another run.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, if they want another run, we're down with it. I'm ready.
Let's go. Who's
Start from
jumping
that
in
corner.
next?
I think
Timbo.
Steve wants another run.
I need you full blast over this thing, buddy.
Lenny, if you want another run, jump in that truck. It's time to run it back.
All right, Steve, one more for the crowd.
Let's give him one more, Stevie. Put a little more pepper on it. You got
I
beat
kind
by
of
a
want to
Chevy.
save it for Gucci Burr show.
You ain't going to
You'll
break
be all right.
it. It's fine.
It'll make it.
Oh, wow, that
Yeah.
was respectable.
Let's go. We got a savage out here.
Oh, whoa, that was interesting.
Dude, that thing is so front heavy. You get $100, brother, for being the farthest jumper.
I gave it all I had. My man earned it out here.
Yeah, he did. That
You
thing
earned it,
flies.
brother. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
What a beautiful little jumping contest. This won't be the last you see of this, I'll tell you what.